everyone, and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, keeping with the Diwali theme, today I'm going to be showing you the lovely Maharashtrian Chivda or Chivda recipe. It's made out of this very light, thin pohe or flattened rice, and it has such lovely ingredients. The end result is so delicious. Sometimes I have to make it more than once because it gets over really quickly. So I hope you like today's recipe and I hope you give it a try. Let me know in the comments box below how yours turned out. And don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. I need those thumbs ups. And also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button that you see just below this video. It's completely free, and once you subscribe, just click the bell so every time I put up a new recipe or a video, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. So let's begin making this delicious chivda. Now first I've taken about 3 cups of this very fine and flat pohe, also called pattar pohe, and we have to run it through a sieve to remove all the fine grains and dirt or dust that might be there. So that's very important that you need to sieve it. Now besides this 3 cups of pattar pohe, we require about 1 cup of raw peanuts or as per your choice. Similarly, a cup of cashew nuts, half a cup of KISMIS or dried raisins, and 1/4 cup of sliced dried onions. You can also use the black raisins. You also require 1 light green chili, some curry leaves, some powdered sugar, and some salt to taste. Then we also require some haldi, about 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, mori or rye or mustard seeds, some asafetida and hing, and some cumin and jeera. Now the first thing is to roast the pohe in a large pan or a pot. We're not going to add any oil, but we're going to roast this on a low to medium flame for about at least 5 to 7 minutes. Continuously stirring it. You will see that the edges of this pohe start turning inward, and you can just keep on testing them till they become a little crispy. So you have to do this. This is a very important step, to roast the pohe. Now once that is roasted, you can keep it aside and then again heat some oil, and now we're going to fry the cashew nuts till they're nice and golden brown in color. Once that is done, we're going to take it out and keep it aside. Similarly, we're also going to fry the raw peanuts till they're nice and golden brown in color. And the same with the raisins or the KISMIS as well as the coconut. Now we're going to add about 2 or 3 tablespoons more to the oil. Heat the oil on a low to medium flame, and then we're going to add the mustard seeds or the mori or the rye. Once they begin to splutter, we're going to add the cumin seeds or the JEERA, the hing or the asafetida, and the turmeric or the haldi powder. Then we're going to saute all of this very well. Now also going to add the light green chilies as well as the fresh curry leaves. We're going to fry all of this till the chilies also get really well fried and the oil gets infused with all of these lovely flavors. Now we're going to add our roasted pohe to this fodni, and we're going to mix everything together. Also adding all the fried cashew nuts, the fried peanuts, the fried raisins, as well as the fried coconut slices. And we're going to ensure that everything is well mixed. All of the pohe that we roasted should be well coated with this lovely bagar or fodni. You should not have any white specks of pohe. Everything should have this lovely yellow tinge. Now we're going to flavor it with some salt to taste, as well as some powdered sugar. You can add as much sugar and salt as per your taste. All I've done is just taken about 2 tablespoons of sugar, ground them in my mixer, or you can use the ready-made pithi sakar. And after this is done, let this come down to room temperature, and then you have to just serve it. And ensure that when you're serving, you get all the goodness of the lovely fried cashew nuts, the peanuts, the lovely coconut slices, as well as the lovely kishmish. I love to have this with some very finely chopped onions. It tastes simply divine, and a little squeeze of lemon. And I love the fried coconut slices and the cashew nuts the best. I literally search for them, and I like to add some more fried coconuts and cashew nuts, especially when I'm serving myself. I just love that fried coconut and cashew nut texture. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please visit my page. I have many Diwali sweets, and I have many more coming up. I will leave a link below in my description box of my Diwali sweets recipe. A link, you can just click it and you'll get all the recipes for Diwali, and I'm also coming up with many more. Please visit Akshata's recipes. I have loads of recipes. Do give this video a like, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, click the bell, so every time I put up a new recipe or a video, you will get a message for the same. Subscription is completely free, friends. And the most important thing is, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting Akshata's recipes. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye and take care. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.